Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Airbnb app crashing step by step. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, close the app completely, open it after waiting a few while, and then many crashes happen due to temporary glitches, so I will fix it. Now restart your phone to clear some system memory and remove background processes that may be causing the issue. Next, head over to your app store and make sure that the Airbnb app is updated to the latest version, as updates often fix bugs that cause crashing. Now, if you are using Android, go to Settings app, find Airbnb, tap Storage and clear cache. This removes temporary files that may be corrupted. If the problem persists, go ahead and long press on the app icon, remove app, and delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store again, search for the app, and reinstall it from there. It will give you a fresh version. If the app still crashes, it may be due to device compatibility or temporary server issues. So try again later. That's how you fix the Airbnb app crashing. Subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.